Arka is a self-serve analytics platform that lets product, engineering, and customer-facing teams get answers from their data and generate dashboards in minutes instead of weeks. This augments data teams and frees them up to focus on more strategic work. Arka shines in ad hoc data exploration and analysis. We're helping enterprises unlock millions in new revenue opportunities, spot churn risk earlier, and save years of manual effort spent on routine data work. Before Arka, when a product manager has a question about usage trends or a customer success manager wants to understand churn risk, they have to file a ticket with the data team, who are often overloaded and have competing priorities. It could take weeks to get an answer. With Arka, anyone can instantly query their data, visualize trends, share dashboards, and get the insights they need without waiting. In this demo, Arka is connected directly to a company's data warehouse. We give it a bit of guidance through knowledge bases, and it's just a short and structured note in terms of what Arka is supposed to do with the result. Nothing incredibly complicated, no big semantic layers involved. And from there on, Arka can instantly answer questions and generate dashboards. So when you land on the Arka page, you can see a couple of starter questions that we will help you set up when you onboard. And you can also ask your own question. And when you ask the starter question, Arka is essentially doing a comprehensive workflow in order to get you the result that mirrors what a real data analyst would do. So the first thing that Arka is doing is it is coming up with a map of the territory in terms of the data that it has access to. It's listing the schemas, the metadata, and generating a hypothesis of how best to answer your question in combination with the knowledge bases you've given it already. Now, in terms of showing it, it's also showing you what it's doing and giving you the reasoning so you can look at it and look for any errors or potentially share it with your team members and have them verify the output as well. Now, as you can see, Arka quickly generated a summary answering the core question, then gave you some additional information and then some insights that could be useful to give you a broader understanding of the problem. And finally, Arka generates these really beautiful graphs that help you quickly visualize what is the trend or the broad question that you've answered or that you've asked for. And here's the part that makes it really powerful. You can quickly export this graph into a dashboard, and these dashboards are innovative AI dashboards. So what that means is they're not just live dashboards that update based on when the real data source is updating. You can also ask them open-ended questions. You can say something like, what am I looking at? And Arka will immediately give you an overview of the chart that you're looking at. This is very helpful when you share a dashboard and someone has follow-up questions. They can ask those questions without having to ping you or wait for your response. Another powerful capability that makes ad hoc data analysis incredibly easy is being able to just modify the data set by using natural language. So you can say, can I get top 30 instead? And as soon as you ask that question, Arka is going to automatically change the data set and give you the results that you needed. Arka is a giant leap in terms of how analytics should be for the AI native world. We are building incredible features that are helping organizations save millions. And if that is interesting to you, or you want to try out the next way in which data is going to be explored, then come talk to us. Thanks.